Flattening allows us to create a pattern by drawing it directly on the avatar. To make a pattern, we will first create a framework by drawing a center front and center back lines. Select 3D Pen tool and left-click on the avatar to place a point in the middle. To find a middle, hold Shift and the guidelines will appear. Move the cursor down holding Shift to create a straight line and double-click to place it. Repeat for the center back. Now draw the waistline and the lower edge of the yoke. Left-click, move the cursor and click again until you have drawn the line. Double-click to finish. Now we will draw some seams. If you make a mistake, use Edit 3D Pen to move the point by dragging it, or delete by hitting Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. Now the framework is ready, we are ready to flatten. But before we do this, there is one more step. To make sure that the center front and center back stay straight on the pattern, right-click on them with Edit 3D Pen tool and select Flatten a straight line. You can hold Shift to select several lines. Now we are ready to flatten. Go to Flatten tool and hover over the pattern pieces in 3D window. Left-click and the area will go yellow. Select all the areas while holding Shift and press Enter. The pattern pieces will be generated in 2D window. The pattern pieces will not be in order and will have to be rearranged. To identify a pattern, select it in 2D and it will be highlighted in 3D, showing you where it belongs. If we flatten multiple pattern pieces at the same time, as opposed to one by one, they will be sewn automatically, saving us an extra step. Adjust the pattern pieces, making the lines smooth and even, and create another half. With all pattern pieces ready, we can delete 3D pen lines on the avatar by pressing Ctrl A to select them all and then hitting Delete or Backspace on the keyboard.